Hello students, welcome to Learning Management System, the program BSc, subject English, semester 4, session number 40. The grammar section, writing skills, essay writing and the types of essays. I am Ravi Kumar, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Government First Aid College, Yelahanka. Created this PPT video along with Dr. Suresh SB. Grammar section, writing skills, essay writing. Types of essays. There are many different types of essays, but they are often defined in four main categories: narrative, descriptive, expository, argumentative. Each has a unique purpose. Some tell a story, some are descriptive, and others attempt to alter opinions. Narrative essays. A narrative essay is one that tells a story. This is usually a story about a personal experience you had, but it may also be an imaginative exploration of something you have not experienced. Narrative essays test your ability to build up a narrative in an engaging, well structured way. Then they they are much more personal and creative than other kinds of academic writing. Writing a personal statement for an application requires the same skills as a narrative essay. Narrative essay is not strictly divided into introduction, body, and conclusion, but it should still begin by setting up the narrative and finish by expressing the point of the story, what you learned from your experience, or what it made an impression on you. Narrative essays can be organized in any way the writer chooses to illustrate its main point. Narrative essay topics, for example, your favorite vacation with your family, a trip you will never forget, your first day at a new college. Talk about something that scared you a lot, your most enjoyable festival, the best birthday party you have ever had, and etc. Descriptive essay. A descriptive essay provides a detailed sensory description of something, like narrative essays, allow you to be more creative than most academic writing, but they are more tightly focused than narrative essay. You might describe a specific place, person, or object rather than telling a whole story. Descriptive essays test your ability to use language creatively, making a striking word choice to convey a memorable picture of what you are describing. A descriptive essay can be quite loosely structured, though it should usually begin by introducing the object of your description and by drawing an overall picture of it. The important thing is to use careful word choices and figurative language to you create an original description of your object. Many writers choose to write descriptive essays as a writing exercise before they start writing a narrative essay. Descriptive essay topics, for example, the ideal modern teacher, education was religion, global warming and climate change, my best friend, my favorite colleague, my mentor, and etc. Expository essays, the third variety, the third type, the expository essays Exploratory essays, in which an essay a writer presents a balanced study of a topic. To write such an essay, the writer must have real and extensive knowledge about the subject. There is no scope for the writer's feelings or emotions in an expository essay. It is completely based on facts, statistics, examples, etc. There are subtypes here like contrast essays, cause and effective essays, etc. Expository essay is test your familiarity with the topic and your ability to organize and convey information. They are commonly organized at a high school or in exam questions at college level. The introduction of an expository essay states your topic and provides some general background. The body presents the details and the conclusion summarizes the information presented. Expository essay topics, for example, how do social media affect real life relationships? Explain the benefits of knowing a foreign language. What effect does technology have on relationships? Explain how internet has had a positive effect on communication and etc. Argumentative essays, the fourth and the last type. An argumentative essay presents an extended evidence based argument. It requires a strong thesis statement, a clearly defined stance on your topic. Your aim is to convince the reader of your thesis using evidence and analysis as quoting such as quotations. Argumentative essays test your ability to research and present your own position on a topic. This is the most common type of essay at the college level. Most papers you write will involve some kind of argumentation. Argumentative essay is divided into an introduction, body, and conclusion. The introduction provides your topic and thesis statement. The body presents your evidence and arguments. The conclusion summarizes your argument and emphasizes its importance. Argumentative essay topics, for example, technology and education, the role of communications in a social network for modern education. Existing public school policies must be changed. How can students add up to the social movement for the nature safety? The internet access must be limited to students. Education should be free for everyone. This kind of topics can be operated through the argumentative essay topics. Reference. Here we comes to the end of the session, and you can get more information about these essays by choosing by using these references. And thank you. That's all from me.